Hello everyone again, and as you can see, and maybe I hope you've seen in a previous video, I have prepared this hammer drill by replacing the armature for it, and now it's time to get ready for selling or reselling. Okay, first thing what we can see, we have the dust all around here, the rust or the dust on a rubber. Of course it's all dirty. We have the old sticker here, so we need to remove it definitely. We have the depth lever limiter, or as you call it. Okay, so I will remove the handle. I will take this one out, and what can we see? We can see that the handle, I have cleaned it a little bit before this video, and we have the, I don't know, it's a grease or something here. You can see how the handle looks old, so we need to try to clean it. One of the hacks I will try is using the VD for this one. Just spraying a little bit VD here, and now I will try to brush it and check if the dirt is getting off or not. Okay, hard to tell from the first dry. Yeah, it seems that the dirt is getting off with a VD, so we need to spray it and clean it. Maybe I will use other type of a brush. I will try this brass brush. It's a little bit harder. I will check if it will not damage the handle. It can be that it will damage the handle, so I cannot use it. Okay. So I will go slowly with the soft brush. Just rubbing the handle. Okay, now I will try to take the excess grease with the paper and check if we have better result or not. Okay, looks better now. Of course, need to be dried good to see the exact result. Okay, it looks more alive. We have the macroflex or some kind of. Okay, we have stopped it. I want to try adhesive remover here on the, I think it's a macroflex or some kind of foam. No, it's not getting out, so we will just leave it like that. Okay, now basically this handle looks really not bad. Just brushing it with the same brush I was brushing the VD, because the VD oil gets the better look for the plastic, for the rubber, and so on. Okay, but this one we will see. I will leave it a little bit for later. Now we have the sticker here of course using the remover, and I can try to scrap the sticker. Now we can see that no glues are left. Okay, and we don't have any stickers here, so we need to clean it. For cleaning, I will use the Dash & Tech screen cleaner. You've seen it in other my videos. Spraying the tool with it. And I have short, long brush. Now taking the paper towels and cleaning the tool with them. You can see we got some dirt on the paper. That means we are getting the tool cleaner. Okay, and it seems that this tool is made on the 2006, and you can see that after some cleaning it really looks better than it was. Of course, it's a old tool and it will not be like new. After doing this, we can cover the tool. Okay, I can see some like a dirt, or I don't know, it's a plastic damage here. So I will try to spray the VD and use the brush here. Okay, looks a little bit better. Now let's check how we got with the handle, and I have dirt here on the handle. Okay. This side is almost clean. I'm using another brush, the long brush. This one easier gets to the gaps. Okay, now this one really looks not bad. I will cover it with the cockpit spray. And it really looks better on photos when you're covering it with a cockpit spray. It gets more shiny look, as you of course can see in the video. If you will backward the video to the beginning as the tool was, you can compare the difference. Okay, and I think we have prepared the tool for the sale. Now got on the handle here. Okay. So now about this one, I don't know, we can try to clean it a little bit with sanding paper. You can see that the rust is getting out, and I don't know if it's better if it will be the shining like new. You can see that it's starting to shine. Of course, we need to sand it a little bit more. Honestly, I have the sandblaster and I can just sandblast it, and I don't know if it's worth it. Okay, I think it looks not bad. I will put it back in a tool. Okay, got it. Now it looks like a sellable item, and I hope it will be sold for about 60 euros. For now, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment, and I will try to make my best and make more videos about cleaning and preparing the tools for reselling. For now, thank you for watching, and bye.